Good morning, students. Class 10, Chapter 5. In this chapter, we have already done exercise 3, exercise 5.1 and basic definitions, definition of arithmetic progression, common difference, first term, general form of an AP, and so on. Now the topic is nth term of an AP. Nth term of an AP. Nth term of an AP mean a special term of an AP. In the exercise 5.2, APs are given and we have to find out a particular term. Then to find out a particular term, we use a formula, nth term of an AP. What is the formula? What is the proof of this formula? We study. We know that general form of an AP, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. So, first term is equal to small a, second term is equal to a plus d, third term a plus 2d, fourth term a plus 3d, and so on. Ninth term a plus 8d. According to the sequence, fourth term a plus 3d, so ninth term a plus 8d, 15th term a plus 14d. So we observe that in each term, first term is fixed. First term is fixed and the coefficient of d is 1 less than the number of term we study. हम जिस भी नंबर ऑफ टर्म की बात करेंगे d का कोफिशिएंट उससे कम होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ वी स्टडी 25th term, then first term is fixed and the coefficient of d is 1 less than the number of term. So a plus 24d. So the formula is nth term is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Note, we represent first term is equal to small a or a1, second term a2, third term a3, and so on. So nth term is represented as an. Represented as an. And the formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. It's clear? An mean nth term from first. Note down it. Now we start exercise 5.2. As a revision, we know arithmetic progression is a list of number in which each term is obtained after adding a fixed number in the preceding term. Common difference, a2 minus a1, a3 minus a2, first term, general form an AP, a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, and so on. And the formula of nth term of an AP, a plus n minus into d, where small a indicate first term, small d indicate common difference, n indicate number of term, and an indicate nth term from first. Please remember, nth term from first. Now start question number 1. First part, a is equal to 7, d equal to 3, n equal to 8, and we have to find out an. So apply formula, an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, 7 plus 8 minus 1 into 3, 7 plus 7 into 3, so an equal to 7 plus 21, so an is equal to 28. So value of an equal to 28. Now third part, we have to find out an. Value of an is given, then apply the formula of an. An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, minus 5 is equal to a plus 18 minus 1 into minus 3. Please remember, if the value of d is negative, then write the value in a bracket. minus 5 is equal to a plus 17 multiply minus 3, minus 5 is equal to a minus 51. So what is the value of a? Plus k 51 and minus k 5. So a is equal to 46. So a is equal to 46. Fourth part. In the question we have to find out n, and an is given. So again use the formula of an. An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. 3.6 is equal to minus 18.9 plus n minus 1 into 2.5. Minus 18.9 goes to left side and add with 3.6. n minus 1 into 2.5. 3.6 and 18.9. The addition is 22.5 is equal to n minus 1 into 2.5. Now 2.5 goes to in upon. So n minus 1 is equal to 22.5 upon 2.5. Decimal and decimal remove. 25 9 jar. So n is equal to 10. Answer. If the an is given, they apply the formula of an and find out the value of a, d, n, and so on. Okay, note down it. Okay, students. Now we have to done question number 2. Choose the correct choice. Second part, 11th term of the AP. AP is given minus 3, minus 1 by 2, comma 2, and so on. And we have to find out 11th term. We consider a equal to minus 3 and find out d, second term minus first term. We also can do third term minus second term. It's your choice. Second term minus first term, second term minus first term, and the calculation answer is 5.2. Now find out A11. 11th term mean A11, A plus 10D. Put the value of A and D and now calculate. The answer is 22. Question number 3. In the following APs, find out missing terms. In the first part, 2 and 26. In the between a number is missing. So we can consider a is equal to 2, first term 2, and it's a third term 26. And we have to find out second term. A3 is given. Apply the formula of A3. A3 equal to A plus 2D. Calculate, find out D, and again find out A2, A plus D, A plus 12, 2 plus 12, answer is 14. In the third part, 5 and 9 by 1.2, there are two numbers are missing, in which A is equal to 5, A2 and A3. Both we have to find out, and A4 equal to n is to 1.2. We know that A4 equal to A plus 3D. Calculate and find out the D, and A2 A plus D, A3 A plus 2D. So the missing numbers are 13/2 and 8. I hope you have understood question number 1, 2 and 3. Note down it, and thank you.